A12 screen replacement without the frame, no frame. This one normally, if you will see, mostly videos on YouTube available is with the frame, and today I will show you how to remove this without the frame, because some of the models in A12 those are only works without the frame. With the frame, if you will try to do, it will not gonna work. So I have to give heat first. This, just wait for that. You need to have some patience because this one takes little time. This is all right, we have to give the time. So now it's good to make it do it work. This is my magical tool, always I'm using this kind of a screens. I really like this tool. But since this screen is already broken, we don't need to scare to use metal tool. So here is good. Always remove from inside here, inside, not from here. Some people try to break the frame. This is frame. I remove already frame. I showed you in my other video in A12 how to remove the back frame, which I did it in that. But this video, because I'm using this. Okay, so this is the display ribbon, so this comes with that. So this one I'm removing here. So that's it. So now I will put the new screen in this and just do the adhesive. Easy to do, just wait, I'll show you that part as well. So let's try before I'm installing it. So this is the power button with the frame. And the last battery, always remove first battery and put last on the battery. Okay, so let's try this one before I glue. Here, yeah, this is working. That's perfect. Just reverse the whole process and it's okay, good to go. Thank you guys.